By the end of this lesson, you will read new Korean letters. No memorizing. Let's go. Remember the secret of Hangul. Each letter is shaped like your mouth when you say it. Here is the letter.
기역,
It sounds like G/K. The place is the back of the tongue. Now add a vowel and listen.
가, 고,
Here is the letter.
니은,
It sounds like N. The place is the tongue tip, upper gum. Now add a vowel and listen.
나, 누,
Here is the letter.
디귿,
It sounds like D/T. The place is the tongue tip released. Now add a vowel and listen.
다, 도,
Put a consonant and a vowel together and you get a syllable. Like building blocks.
가, 고, 나,
Your turn. Read these out loud. Pause if you need to.
가, 고, 나.
Amazing. You just learned 3 consonants. You can already read more Korean than yesterday. Now lock it in. Go to korean.weasm.com. Free practice, no sign up. The link is below.